Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable all email notifications in the SoundCloud app on your Android phone. If you find these notifications distracting or just want to clean up your inbox, this quick tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Open the SoundCloud app on your Android device. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Library. Next, look at the top right corner and tap the Settings icon. After that, scroll down and select Inbox from the Settings menu. Now, tap on Notification Settings to manage your alerts. Finally, in Notification Settings, you will see different options for email notifications. Turn off all the email notifications by toggling the switches to off. And that's it. You have successfully disabled all email notifications from the SoundCloud app on your Android phone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.